Today is 16 June. Tomorrow 17 will be afternoon coming Egypt. Today afternoon I make some drill for crew, some training, familiarization, because maybe in Egypt come for stay control. But this not for stay control. This must be crew know duty, what not do. If some happen, some fire drill, a partnership drill, some emergency drill, oil pollution, you must be know duty. Weather today normally. For video not possible. See wind about 6 C5, wave about 2.5 meter. But for video this no possible. See big wave. I don't know why every time make video, but I don't know why in video not same visual. Speed now 7.9, 8 knots like this, 7.7. If like this speed ETA tomorrow 7 o'clock PM. Easy going. Like this vessel have small rolling, but people working, engine people working in progress. Radar, no any vessel in radar in 12 miles. Good area. Deck people working, very good. Chipping have from port side. One man chipping, under man grinding, working. Weather must be tomorrow decreasing. Wave up to 1.5 meter. I think when drop anchor, if anchor each area stay waiting, arrival port not rolling. Because now good vessel go wave to aft, not rolling. If wave come to port side or starboard side, vessel will be too much rolling, I am sure. Now start training, fire drill, under partnership drill. Так, people ready. Так, okay. Now fire in galley. Fire in galley. Okay. Switch off, need electrician. Close it.
Ventilation closed, all door closed.
Okay, Mr. Buryak, everything is good. Fire hose. Yes.
First aid kit is ready.
First aid kit ready.
Yangın hortumu hazır. Ready. Daha güzel olacak eminim. Ama güzel aksiyonlar sergileyelim. Because you remember how you going to inside, opening door. It's not explosion. A little, and after going a little more, pulling thing, coming second.